Hey Google, pull my finger.
Excuse me.
Hey Google, pull my finger again.
Excuse me.
Hey Google, did you just fart?
It was me. I farted. It definitely wasn't someone else in the room.
Hey Google. Hey Google, you have a sexy voice.
Thanks. I've been practicing some vocal warm-ups. Many mumbling mice are making midnight music in the moonlight. Mighty nice.
Hey Google. Make fart noises.
This is a fart. This is a fart. Sure. First, here are some details about how Google shares info with other services.
Who farted?
Sure, I'll take the fall for this one, and I'll fart again to clear all doubts.
Woo!